Hi, I'm here! Welcome to my room. Humble about niyo mukha. Oh my god, there's puto-pongpo. Sa TikTok kasi, ganyan mga sound. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kuya, can you like hina that? For today's daily. Wala. I'm done now with my school. Medyo maluwag na ako. Mag-aasikaso lang ako ng mga stuff before I leave for America. And then, that's it. I'm gonna take you with me sa week ko. Cause, duh. It's getting... I hope you all enjoy this. I'm with my family right now and they're pissed at me. Cause I took so long. But we're gonna have a lunch in 225 and I really love it there. Dati ko pa sila inaaya there, pero ngayon na kami matutuloy. So, see y'all there. Bye! Hi, Tito Ed!
Hi, Tito. Ayun o, Tito.
Hi, guys! Oh my God! OA! Such an OA family. I'm getting steak bowl.
Busy ka sa barangay mo.
What are you getting? Anyways, mga kapatid, I really love it here. As in, sobrang favorite ko talaga dito. Pero at night, this turns into a bar. And then, wala, ang sarap talaga. As in, walang tapon yung food here. This isn't sponsored, by the way. I just really love it here talaga. As in, sobrang favorite ko talaga dito. Promise.
What's the name of your teacher? Teacher Robilin? I know. What?
Guys, so sobrang excited ko kumain. Hindi ko na na-videohan. Hindi ko na na-videohan yung sisig tacos. Sisig tacos. I love it. Sarap. Sarap. Ate, that's the best.
Makain lang ako ah.
Ha? Ano lahat?
Hayaan mo lang.
Good morning na. Ganda. Morning.
You're just not...
Morning. Dire-diretso ka rin, walang gabi.
Hindi tumitingin sa kanan.
So, I'm back in my condo, and can I just say that I have this habit. My family is still there, but nauna na ako because I don't know why, but I really don't like staying sa restaurant ng matagal. Like, after kong kumain, I have to go na talaga. So, I'm back here in my condo. I think I'm gonna nap for a while. And then after I nap, I'm gonna fix a little because my condo is so gulo right now. And then, it's so gulo. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed to show you guys. Yeah, it's so gulo. And then I'm going to my friend's house later. Going to her condo. But before I sleep, ewan ko tinamaan ako ng antok. I'm gonna make Inom Beauty Milk first. This is strawberry. I love Beauty Milk strawberry. You guys know this already. It really keeps me glowing, ganyan, blooming. Ayan, it's really this. And of course, also have iba pang maintenance ko. Honestly, mga kapeti, when you start taking care of yourself or when you start valuing yourself, it's really gonna show. And yung mga ganito, yung pag-inom-inom ng mga beauty supplements, that's one way, you know, na you can say that you value yourself. Kasi, inom ka ng mga pampa-arte eh. Kasi, in-embrace ko na lang talaga yung pagiging feminine ko. Before talaga hindi. Pero ngayon, I'm just a really girly girl as in. Ayoko masyadong dagdagan ng water cause wala yung tamis na. Kaya, this is enough for me. And I love this kasi it has oral sunblock. Guys, I'm here. Same day pa rin. Natulog lang ako sa condo. Tapos, ayun. Tuntok kasi ako. So, natulog ako. So, 9 p.m.
Ganda ng camera mo.
Right? 9:03 p.m. And then, ngayon pa lang ako pumunta kasi naglinis pa ako. And nabobore yun ako sa condo ko eh. Wala ako sa condo ng iba. Because I can't. Like, I'm gonna go crazy by myself. Living alone pero laging nasa bahay ng iba. First time ko actually mag-sleepover kay Seki. Hindi ako nag-sleepover before sa'yo. Lagi akong umaalis ng hapon. Hindi nga ako nakakapag-stay ng gabi. So, yeah. My first time here and I'm so proud of her. Can I tour it?
Go.
Kasi it's so nice. It's so much better than her previous condo. There. It's kitchen. I'm proud of you, Seki.
Buti pala nagbilis ako ng kwarto.
Such a strong woman. Is this 2-bedroom? Or 1?
Ayun, CR na yun.
Okay. Okay. So, ano bang gagawin namin? Wala din.
Actually, kakain tayo eh. Late ka na eh.
Yeah.
Magtatipahan niyo kami, guys.
Wala na late ako eh. Tsaka wala naman manilibre sa akin. I mean, my kuripot era. Joke lang. Okay,
Ako,
bye.
sa tipahan.
Palit na kaya ng circle ko ngayon. Alam mo, I realize na wala akong barkada. Puro individual friends.
Eh, yun nga, pero kasi like, alam ko
Pero
naman,
for me, okay lang.
parang hindi ka naman kasi confident na limit mo yun. Hindi mo naman kilala.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Guys, literal nakitulog lang ako. Yeah, bye! I'm going... Actually, I kind of have a busy day today. I'm going to the south to visit Danica. So, let's go. Busy day today. Hi, I'm here.
Welcome my humble abode.
Humble abode mo mukha mo. No! Guys, no kaya. That's my love language kasi. Ayaw maniwala ni Danica na punta ko sa south. Kasi I really hate going here, diba? And I hate going to the south talaga, grabe. Because it's always traffic. But then I'm like, naman na ako umaalis. So might as well just go to the south. Okay. Bye, Ate Grace. See you next time. Take care of my wallet, ha? Hi. Hi, Mama G. Ganyan mga south girlies, no? Like, ganyan kayo mo naman, no? No, right? Ganyan mga South. Sa TikTok kasi, ganyan mga South girlies. Hi, Jiro. Sa ano lang kami, tita? Sa Pal. Yes. Tapos kakain kami, tita. Sa Molito. Say hi to my vlog, Jiro.
Hi.
You know, I knew Jiro when you were small pa and now you're a big boy na. Time is so fast. Say hi, vlog. Hi, mga kapeti. Pareho kami ng content ni Danica. Wala, sorry guys, we're making kayod because we're going to the States. Medyo malaking bawi ito guys. What were you saying?
Kayod. Mahal ng ticket.
Dalawang kuripot nag-travel. Alam mo sa ating tatlo, si Blight, yung pinaka-hindi kuripot. Pero kuripot din siya eh. Lahat kami guys, kuripot. I am officially a Southie here in Molito hanging out with Danica and Mama G.
30 pa daw eh.
5:30. Ano ba tayo sa Petite Bakery?
Wait! Ayoko na!
No sugar diet for us. So what are we gonna do here? The restaurant will open at 5:30. So we're just chilling here. There's family. Do you like ikra? What's that? Ate, what's this? Alam mo, puro ako kain sa vlog ko. Mama G, they made payat. Sisira ba? Like kahit kumari ito. I wish Blight was here. You know what? She wouldn't believe me nung sabi ko, punta na lang ako sa bahay. Sabi niya, uy, mga ganun siya. Well, I'm here in the south.
Hindi nga din ako naniwala eh, diba?
I didn't expect this. Danica earlier was like, huwag ka magsisi kapag madami kang in-order. Ang dami na.
Oh, tapos magsisisi mamaya. Ang dami natin kinain.
Syempre, this night wouldn't be complete without a TikTok. By the way, I just want to share that it's a Friday, but nakapajama na kami. Hey. Okay. Parang mas cute kung si Mama G lang naka-fur. Parang
lahat na tayo. Nakakawiliwang ka. Hindi, sa una lang. Maala nga.
Diba? Parang white. Huwag na parang siya lang naka-white. Ano? Morning guys, it's Saturday today and my agenda is... Wait, before anything, can I just make kwento what happened? So, Danica and I and Mama G, we all slept early. As in, natulog kami ng maaga. Tapos, may tumawag sa akin ng 3:45 a.m. So, like, dapat kikising ako ng 7:45 a.m. Pero, di ako nagising. So, it's 9 a.m. Tapos, we're going to a Saturday market. She an official Saudi. Jiro! Can you say good morning to my vlog? Can you say?
That is not your camera.
This is my camera. Ate Danica and I are the same. Can you say good morning, please? Say good morning, Jiro. Jiro! Jiro! You want that? Jiro, you want that?
No, I want them.
You want that? You want that, Jiro?
Yes.
I'll buy for you. Ask if they have GCash. But I'm officially part of your girlfriends. Nang blackmail ng bata. Cute ni Jiro. He's just 5.
I will bake this proper man.
Cookies. I want mango. That's all I came for here. Mango. Oh my god, there's puto bongbong. Target lang. Mango. That's all I want. Mango. So you have to sleep early later. You have malaking.
Ano hinahanap mo?
Chilo?
Hinahanap ko sarili ko.
Andun mo mo. Mas may oras ka pa sa'yo.
Eh, mapabulok na nga eh.
Okay, sige. Kakainin ko lahat ng mangga dyan. Mango from the south. From the south.
Sa school dun sa Paris, yung pinakamahal sa buong mundo.
Hilig kayo mga kapati. Lagi kong re-reflect like, mga delusions ko in life. As in, hindi ako nahihiya. I'm not ashamed of it talaga. Pero syempre, I keep it to myself. Girl, kapag wala akong ginagawa, imbes na
Manifesting kasi yun eh. Pag dinulo ka, minamanifest mo din.
I realized before, sobrang overthink ko future ko, ganyan na, what if hindi ako maging ganito, ganyan. Ngayon, change talaga yung mindset ko. Kasi ngayon, puro iniisip ko na lang, ako nasa Dubai, nag-marry ako ng prince, tapos lumalabas ako ng mga shopping mall, sobrang laki ng bahay ko. Dati talaga, like, I don't know, I think it's also me being single kasi. Wala ko yung iniisip eh. So mga kapeti, I'm back in Danica's house and while waiting sa dentist ko, I've been checking out this ice cream maker and it's now all over my For You page. So I think I'm gonna buy it. Nililimos pa ako sa mga friends ko pero you know what, I'm just gonna buy it. I deserve it. So I'm gonna buy it. I don't know, appliances, it gets me excited. I'm just gonna buy it, girl. Also 5 left, so I think I'm gonna buy it na talaga. Galing kong kumastos. Binili ko na siya.
Oh? Ninja creamy?
Oo.
Meron na.
Oo nga, I swear. Existing. She's doing schoolwork. I'm making content deck.
Feeling ko lagi mo yung gagamitin, pero after ilang magsasawa ka.
No, I'm gonna get my money's worth. God. Appliances make me happy na talaga, guys.
Who is she?
Who is
Dati
she?
lalaki.
Totoo. I mean, aminado naman ako. $5:40 a.m. guys. Actually, 4 a.m. Gising na ako. Danica and I will run. Okay, bye. Baka makapiright pa ako. The Danica on Tanko effect. We're in Makati already. Are you excited?
Yes.
You know, di ba, I was so consistent with going to the gym. Ngayon na lang ulit ako mag-workout because I got so busy.
Yeah.
So, I'm so excited. Let's go. I'm gonna open na nga din my zipper a little.
Zipper a little.
Just a little. She's a daring queen. I'm officially in my that girl era. Hi, Martin.
Hello.
Guys, they're so far na. Like, I can't see them anymore. But I'm so pagod. I'm so hingan. Flowers. South girl things. South girl things. My favorite cuisine, Persian. Bye, Martin.
Bye.
Bye, Bobo. Bye. Let's go back to the south. I'm so sleepy.